Did you notice that many YouTubers use talking animation and get thousands of views and monetize their channel? If you want to create like this with your mobile phone, then watch full video. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first open CapCut, and then go to text to image. Copy and paste the script which are present in the description. Then select the YouTube video ratio. Then click on generate. If you don't like any of them, then click on regenerate and pick one image you like. If all set, it's time to animate the image. So open Artflow AI. First create an account. Then click on Video Studio. Now click on Create Video. Click on Continue. After that, click on Uploads. And click on Browse. And select the image you generated with CapCut. After that, wait for it. To detect the face of the character. Now write a script. What should your character say? After that, click on Export and Animate. Then give a title to your video. Then click on Export. Now wait for the process. Then open the video and click on Download. Now it's time to remove the watermark. So open Media IO. Then click on Watermark Remover. And upload your video. Then erase the watermark. Now click on Remove Object. Then download the video. Now use this in your video and viral your channel.